Tasked with designing 400 years into the future, two Arcadians set out on a mission to both warn humanity of the dangers of the current climate conditions and show our species its great potential should we work together. And so we begin, known to the Arcadians as the Reckoning, in the year 2040, where society's efforts to push initiatives and agendas of sustainability failed due to humanity's obsession with over-consumerism. Next, we have the dystopian era, taking place in the year 2070, where the living conditions are inconceivably depressing, unhygienic, and inhumane. Also, with the sheer mismanagement of waste dumping around our beloved planet in space, leading world governments to assemble the people of the nations. After much trial and tribulation, we move on to the year 2100, the Retreat, devised as a plan for the rest and recovery of our natural world. In the year 2100, humanity looks to live away from the surface for 50 years. And so a new chapter begins with the return, the year 2200. And upon returning to the surface, humanity finds that the plan to allow nature to once again flourish worked outstandingly, with all the greatest scientists, pioneers, futurists, and imagineers devising methods of evolving the current society's technology and architecture around transbotanism. And with efforts of prosperity, humanity begins rebuilding with nature in the year 2250. The Imagineers and visionaries of today in 2250 use biomimetic 4D printing in order to grow architecture, all from natural matter, artificially reproduced and edited for our needs, and once again assemble harmonious routine life into local neighborhoods. And just when our technological development peaked as we thought, in comes the new frontier of what we consider to be the nature of life itself. We've finally done it. The singularity is here. Humans have merged with AI and uploaded themselves to the digital realm, leaving behind all manners of physicality, therefore solidifying our position as a Type 1 civilization with our eyes fixated on the next challenge. Brought to you by Arcadia Foundry's design team. Thank you for watching.